Hey, this is Team NerdFind with group members John Nelson, Bridget Wong, and Peter Bukowski. So, what is NerdFind? NerdFind is a mobile web application that helps learners find local tutors for specific classes or subjects. The only thing that the user needs to do is create a profile with valid identification and begin looking for tutors using the application. Users will be able to filter out and request sessions with tutors. This would enable flexibility to pick the compatible tutors that they wish to choose. Along with that, they could also select a tutor based on subject, hourly rate, expertise, and reviews. And when the request is made, the request is sent out to the tutor, and from the tutor side, they will decide if they want to meet up with the student. So after we developed our Midify prototype, we made some changes. We added a color scheme. We wanted a fresh feel to the app, so we added something like a citrus, grapefruit kind of look. Make it, feel really relatable, very friendly and fun. In the web app, we included a settings icon in the top left corner to access settings, profile, schedule from the home page. And then we also combined the profile and settings together on one page and find user profile on the schedule one page for the web application. So I'm going to take you through the first one here. So from here in our web application, we will land at the landing screen, which will be a login page. So for example here, I could put in my credentials and I can log in. From the login page, I will land on the home page, which will be a map on the dashboard. From here, you will see a map of your area, and I could select a tutor here, for example. This tutor, Maria Vasquez, teaches pre-calculus and writing, and is available at this time on this day, and if I'd want to proceed with that, I would hit a request. From that, I could also set a filter. With this filter, I could see what kind of ratings I'm looking for, the distance I'm willing to travel, time zones, and what subjects. So from here, from those changes we talked about before, we could go into the settings here. We could hit the profile page. A profile page will show the credentials of the user logged in. From the settings, we have some settings here that we could change. We could also set the color to a dark mode. From here, we could go back then and go back to the scheduler, and the scheduler will have, I could also look up tutors through the search engine here along with a filter. Apply that filter, and if I select a tutor, I could see in my schedule what days I've appointed and who is next, what tutor's next in my queue. So from that, I could hit here and go log out. So what else I could do, from the mobile app, I showed earlier that we could log in. Now I will show you how to sign up. So with the sign up page, you could enter your credentials. As you proceed through, you could either be a nerd or a learner. So we distinguish our profiles between two types: a nerd, which would be a tutor, and a learner for someone who is looking for help. So we could hit the nerd, put all the profile information in, go ahead and proceed, and then you would hit submit, and then you'd be able to log in. With the login, I could go in here, same kind of interface, except for in our mobile app, we have this panel of different icons. So we have settings here, profile, searching for tutors, and a schedule. So we could hit the profile page, right? Be able to go back to the home. From here, I could hit settings, go back, I could hit the scheduler, show you my queue, what's going on in my schedule, and then I could also look for specific tutors. And from that, similarly looking to the web app, this is what we have.